My name is Colton Emerson. I am a contractor with Brazen Roofing. I'm out here on 134 Hardy Drive, Rincon, Georgia. And today we're doing a repairability test for this homeowner. We're gonna take off this shingle right here. And in order to do that, we're going to have to lift up not only this shingle, but we're gonna have to lift up the one on top and then the one on top of that as well. So right now we are lifting up 3 shingles to just repair this one shingle. So in this process, I'm going to gently lift this shingle up, making it not 90 degrees, as low as I can. Lift it up. Looks like it was already lifted just a little bit. And I'm going to lift the top one. And I'm going to lift this one right up here. Perfect. Okay. So now I'm going to detach the nails under the first shingle that we are taking off. So in order to do that, I have to look up under here, see where these nails are. First one's right here. You can see already we are seeing a rip in this shingle and I'm barely lifting it. And we're also seeing a ton of granule loss. With just lifting the nails of this first shingle. These shingles are way too brittle. I'm seeing already. Last nail is right here and on the end. Pick that up. Now, we got the first row done. Now we got to get the second row. Do that. Almost done here. Got one more nail to go. This shingle should slide out. Okay. Missing one more. shingle slides out nicely. Now you can see, look at this, it is already tearing. And I didn't even touch the shingle and it came off tearing. I also want to show you, if you see the top of here, you're seeing a crease. So this shingle right here, you're seeing a crease, top. This shingle is not, this roof is not repairable. So right here. Now obviously we are going to help the homeowner out and we will tarp the shingle that we just took off. Obviously we cannot put this one back on, so we will tarp up the area that we just did the repairability test on.